This is Unit 4, which is Chapter 7 of the Algebra 1 textbook. We're on page 443. If you were listening to the previous videos, I just realized I was calling them page 431. That's incorrect. It's page 443. They are all saved correctly. I just used the incorrect page number. All right, in the actual video when I was talking about it. So here on page 443, doing the last one here, number 31, talking about wild bird food. You buy 6 bags of wild bird food to fill the feeders in your yard. You have oyster shell grit, natural calcium source, sells for $4 a bag, and then sunflower seeds, which sell for $4.45 a bag. If you spend $25.80, how many bags of each type of feed are you buying? So when we do this, we've always talked about how we're going to do some of these when we do these problems, we're going to have 2 equations. One is going to be based off of the amount that we bought, and the other one is based off of money. So here we bought 6 bags. I'm going to use O for oyster shell grit. So we have the number of bags of oyster shell that we used was the O, all right, plus the amount of bags that we had for sunflower seeds, that's S, was equal to 6. I'm not thrilled about using the O, but I don't want you to think that's a 0. I'm going to try to make that big so that you can clearly see. All right, so then from here we have the money. So the first one, the oyster ones, cost $4 a bag. So that's $4 times by that O, plus the sunflower seeds are $4.45 times by the S, is equal to a total of $25.80. Remember, we said you're always putting the number in front of the variable. When you do this, you're always going to be having it equal with the money. Okay, all the money is in the one equation. All right, so when I do this, I'm going to solve this by elimination. I'm going to multiply the top equation here by a -4. I'm going to do that so that I can eliminate my O's in the front here. So that's going to be -4O plus, or really minus 4S equals -24. Second one is 4O plus 4.45S is equal to 2580. Okay, so when you do this again, you are trying to eliminate a variable. I'm going to eliminate my first one, the O's. So again, these go away. Add together here, you get 0.45S is equal to 2580 minus the 24 is going to be $1.80. All right, you're going to divide by the 45 cents here, and you get S is equal to 4. So I bought 4 bags of the sunflowers. If you remember, when you take this and plug it in, okay, the oysters plus my now 4 bags of sunflowers is equal to 6. So O is equal to 2 when you subtract it off. So remember, these are oysters. All right, so maybe it's a little better if I actually put little Y's on these OY's for oysters. I'll make it a little bit better so it doesn't look like a 0. So the oysters are 2 bags. We had 4 bags of the sunflowers. That's what it asked for there. So we are finished.